if there was a leak under the cab and there was a, say on an older truck, this one's going to be kind of past that, if there was a way that that could get into the sleeper or the truck, that's going to be an out of service violation, obviously.
Do you ever see that with APUs? I mean, I don't have an APU, I got an EPU, but you know, the APU has diesel. You ever see an exhaust leak on that, like on the APU itself?
I have not ran into any, no.
Years ago, I had an APU and it was running fine, but I kept smelling exhaust and it was going into the cab.